For new video updates, subscribe to the NutSpace YouTube channel. Abash, abash, abash. Made to feel uncomfortable, disconcerted, or embarrassed by something that has happened.
Hi.
Hi.
Hope you're not busy.
No, what happened?
I thought I'd take you out for a cup of coffee.
How come? What's the occasion?
It's my birthday.
Really? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
That definitely calls for a treat. So, where should we go?
There's a book cafe that I know of.
The new book cafe that's open down the road?
Yeah, we can go there.
Lovely. I've been meaning to go there. Let's go. Come on.
And
The coffee was amazing. I'm so glad you brought me here.
I'm glad you like the coffee.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me. Please may you get the bill?
What happened? Is everything okay?
I'm a little embarrassed actually.
What happened?
I forgotten my wallet at home.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. I'll take care of
But
it.
it was my treat, you know.
Come on. There's no need to look abashed.
I'm really ashamed. I should have really checked before leaving. I don't know how I
Come
forgot my
on,
wallet.
it's okay. Don't be abashed. I'll take care of it. Your birthday treat on me.
And I'm sorry. I'll treat you again.
Definitely. Come on. Don't be embarrassed. I'll take care of it.
Let's use abash in a sentence now. I decided to take my friend out for coffee and was abashed when I realized I had left my wallet at home and had no money to pay the bill.